drowning in spreadsheets, and losing track of your team's time. Let's ditch the chaos and unlock the power of Clockify for effortless employee time tracking. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account. It's quick, easy, and requires just a basic email and password. No credit card needed. Once you're in, create a new workspace for your company. Think of it as your central hub for all things time tracking. Give it a clear, recognizable name. Now, let's invite your team. Navigate to the Users section and click Invite Users. Simply enter their email addresses, assign roles like user or admin, and Clockify will send them an invitation to join your workspace. Time tracking is at the heart of Clockify. Employees can easily log their hours by starting a timer, selecting a project and task, and adding a brief description of what they're working on. Clockify's automatic time tracker ensures accurate and efficient recording. Unlock the power of reporting. In the Reports section, you can generate detailed timesheets, analyze project costs, and gain valuable insights into team productivity. Filter by date, user, or project to get the exact data you need. Boost your workflow by integrating Clockify with other tools you already use. Connect with project management platforms like Asana or Trello to streamline your processes and centralize your data. Finally, fine-tune Clockify to fit your specific needs. Set hourly rates for each employee, create custom fields to track specific project details, and customize reports to get the most relevant insights for your business. And that's it. With Clockify, you'll have accurate time data, streamlined payroll processing, and a more productive, accountable workforce. Start tracking time today and take control of your business's efficiency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.